Hey guys, Everything Technology here, and welcome to the very first massive unboxing here on the channel. Yes, I am shooting this outside, so if you hear background noise, just ignore that. But anyway, before we get started, I'm not going to be unboxing this, which is a Logitech MX Master 2S, MX Anywhere 2S. So it's like basically the mini version of the MX Master that you've seen me feature on my desk accessories video, which is getting a lot of good feedback. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. But anyway, they were kind enough to hook me up with this to send to one of you guys. So all you have to do to enter is visit the first link down in the description. And I'm actually partnering up with Taiga Fukuyama, and he's going to be giving away some Jaybird runs. So to enter, all you have to do is visit the first link down in the description. So let's put that to the side. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me see what I want to start with. And this is my quick handy dandy unboxing knife. It's about $1. I don't know if you've seen it from my Tech Under $1 video, and it like kind of folds up into like a card. I don't know. I'll link this down in the description in case you're wondering what unboxing knife I'm using. So let's start off with Omace Bluetooth speaker. I think that's how you say it. There's an A, Omace. I don't know. We'll get to the unboxing part. Let's see. Oh, I don't even know where to get started. All right, here we go. Oh, so this requires no knife, so we don't have to cut anything open. Oh, a nice Christmas gift thing. In fact, I'll open this up. Let's see what this is. It's not Christmas, so I don't know why they included this in the box. Maybe I got one of your Christmas units. Let's see this. And it's Santa, and it says Merry Christmas. I don't know why this was included in the box, but it's there. So let's put this aside. Okay, here is the speaker itself, and I'm pretty sure that it's actually like waterproof and stuff, so I'm gonna have to test that out and expect me to feature it on an upcoming video. So let's remove this wrapping here. Let's listen to it real quick. It's pretty satisfying. All right, let's head over to the next product, and this is the Zolo speaker by Anker, and it has Amazon Alexa built in. And I think you've seen me feature the Syrup Genie, which also has Amazon Alexa, but I'm guessing this is the successor to that speaker that you've seen me feature in the video. I think you have. And if you're new to the channel, you probably haven't. And I don't know if you just witnessed that, but that's a hawk trying to get some ducks down there. That is a legit hawk. That's insane. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this here. Let's take out this wrapping. There we go. Let's take it out of the box. And I am not littering. I'm gonna pick this up after I finish this video. So let's see where to start here. Oh, okay, we just push it up. Pretty easy so far. And okay, it says HALO. And here it is. It's actually pretty small. It looks pretty portable. It looks like it could blend into most setups and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to test it out, expect it on a future video. And we have something else in here. Let's see what is in here. I'm guessing this is gonna be like maybe, yep, it's exactly what I expected. It's like the power cord. Yeah, it's the power cord basically. Oh wow, it's like using one of those like AC adapters. It's not using micro USB. I don't know why they're still using AC adapters, or whatever you want to call it, but I really wish they did include a micro USB port to charge this up so I can use it portably as well. I don't know if this has a built-in battery to use this portably, but you will see in the video. So let's put this aside as well as that. Okay, next thing we have is the tar disk, and this does not require an unboxing knife. And tar disk is a really cool device. Basically, if you want to expand storage on your MacBook, I don't know about you guys, but when I bought my MacBook Pro, keeping in mind that I'm a content creator, I went for the base 128 gigabyte model, and you don't know the struggle. Like I always get that little option or that little menu on the top, like right corner of the screen that says like storage is full, please manage and stuff like that. Yeah, I really regret like picking up a 128 gigabyte what's it called, MacBook. So this basically plugs into, if I could even pull it out here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys could see that, but this is a small little, I guess kind of like SD card that plugs into the port, and it plugs in flush with your MacBook. So as soon as you plug it in, you're not going to be able to like realize there's something plugged in. And it adds an extra 128 gigs of storage to your MacBook, your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, whatever device you have. All you have to do to get it working is to download their software. Definitely expect like a video on this in the near future. So let's put this back so that I don't lose it. All right, let's see what we have next. The Jaybird Freedoms 2. You guys seem to really like all the previous Jaybird videos I've did on the channel, or I've done on the channel. So I'm sure you're gonna like the one that I'm gonna do for this specific Jaybird, the Freedom 2, the second generation of the Freedom 1s. Let's get opening. Let's throw away to the side. And oh yeah, simple, just pull it out. And these are the white and gold. These look really nice. These look really, really nice. Let's take them out. Let's take them out real quick. These are nice. Oh my gosh, I feel a bug on me. That's like the struggle of filming outside. But anyway, let's continue with this unboxing. Let's throw away that to the side. And these look mad clean. Like, it's pretty cool how Jaybird was able to like make these Bluetooth while at the same time keep it like a really small profile. So yeah, I'm gonna feature this on a video. I've actually already started working on that video, and I'm gonna feature it with multiple other Jaybird products. So stay tuned for that. If you are not already subscribed, if you're here on the channel for the very first time, you should probably hit that subscribe button like down there somewhere, or click my icon, like my little icon here somewhere. I don't know, maybe at the end of the video. Next thing we have are the Legato Arc wireless earphones, and I'm pretty sure these are the competitors to the LG Tones, and this is actually like another company. This is actually made by Spigen. Actually, it's another division of Spigen who makes like earphones and stuff like that. So let's get started with unboxing. Here I have to cut over this tape real quick. Put that to the side, and okay, let's take these out. And yeah, these basically wrap around your neck, and then you can just put it, you can take out the little earphones and plug it into your ears and stuff like that. These are pretty cool. I'm just gonna keep these in the box for now. Just gonna keep it in this little crate for now because it doesn't come with like a little carrying case or anything like that. And let's throw that again to the side. Next thing we have, these are actually like, what is this? This is actually a mic for the V-Moto Crossfade Wireless 2 that I featured on my best bass heavy headphones video, which again, you guys seem to really like that video. Expect an update to that video with budget bass heavy headphones. That's coming right around the corner, so stay tuned for that if you really enjoyed the previous one. Anyway, let's unbox this. So this basically hooks up to the Crossfade Wireless or the M100s if you have those. Actually, maybe not the M100s, I'm not sure. But let's take these out. Okay, let's not break it now. Here we go. Okay, let's not break stuff. And yeah, you can use this for gaming or podcast or whatever you want to use it for. It just plugs in right to the 3.5mm headphone jack on your V-Moto headphones. So that's pretty cool. Throw that to the side real quick. And the next thing we have is a iWone Fit. And this is like a budget fitness tracker. So let's get right into the box. So I can open it up. Okay. Okay, there we go. That was harder than I expected. And it's actually pretty small. It's actually pretty light. In fact, I'm gonna throw this on like right now. Might as well. Why not? If I can take off this like little sticker on it. Here, let's put it on. Let's put it on. Why not? Let's see if it even fits my wrist. I have like really small wrists. Barely. Anyway, next we have this is RAV Power Power Bank, and I'm pretty sure, actually I don't like this on my wrist. I'm gonna throw it around, throw it to the side. This is the RAV Power 26,800 milliamp power bank. That is huge. Let's open it up. Let's check it out. And you guys have realized I feature a lot of like RAV Power products on the channel, and that's because I truly like their power banks. They're very reliable. So if you're looking for a portable charger, definitely check out some of the RAV Power ones. Let's see where I can open this up. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. It's out. And here we go. I think it's actually made out of aluminum. It's actually, no. That's plastic for sure. That's definitely not aluminum. It has a micro USB charging port. It also has a USB-C port and 2 iSmart ports. and iSmart ports basically adapt to the charging speed of your device. And keep in mind, I will have everything and every single product that I unbox in this video linked down in the description. So we'll keep this in the box, put that over to the side. And I think we're like basically done. I think this is like the very last product, and this is a Zeus car charger. I've featured this on my Make Your Car Great Again video. In fact, I'll actually give this away to you guys if you have a car and you want to make your car a little bit smarter, especially if it's like an older car. Let me know. Just say my car's old in the comment section, and I'll choose whoever, and I'll choose randomly whoever the winner is. So yeah, I actually need a knife for this as well. Okay, that is a lot of wrapping. Let's put that to the side real quick. So I even forgot how I took this out. Okay, here. We have some more tape down here. Okay, this is, I don't know, they packed this here pretty good. So, oh, it's hooked up onto it. Actually, I'm not gonna remove it all the way since I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys anyway. So I'll just keep it in the box, but since one of you guys, I'm gonna give a chance for one of you guys to actually win this. And yeah, I think that's really it for this unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed this lifestyle type of video. This is my very first time trying something like this. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up down below. Shout out to Lamar. I'll link his stuff. He's the one who's actually the B cam. He's helping me shoot this video. I'll have his stuff linked down in the description. And again, this has been Victor with another Everything Technology video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I see you dancing there. You go all night long. You ain't watching no one else, girl, in your zone.